We're getting in breaking news that Vijay Mallya has submitted a repayment plan of rupees 4,000 crores to the Supreme Court, and now the Apex Court has given time for the State Bank of India-led consortium to respond to the proposal that has been given by Vijay Mallya. Anusha Soni joins us for more on this. Anusha, very interesting. Can you just throw some details about this, repayment plan that has been put forward by the beleaguered businessman?
Avambika, this much controversial matter today came, to some substance found here. Vijay Mallya has told the Supreme Court that he's ready to pay about rupees 6,900 crores back. Now, to break down this number, rupees 4,000 crore he's ready to pay upfront by September 2016 with no strings attached. But the rest of the 2,000 crore, he's saying he would pay if he wins, if he loses this lawsuit, if, he cannot prove his case before the law. 6,000 crore is the total, 6,900 crore is the total plan that he has submitted to the Supreme Court. However, 4,000 crore rupees he's ready to pay by September 2016. Another crucial development is that the Supreme Court very categorically asked Vijay Mallya if he was present in the country, he has left the country, or he's back here. To which the counsel for the Mallya responded by saying that he's still outside London, outside India, and is in London. And despite his presence being outside India, he has had 2 meetings with a consortium of Indian banks through video conferencing, and he's talking to them on a day-to-day basis to make sure that this entire repayment plan is worked out with a mutual degree of confidence. The third point is that the counsel for Mallya also said that there is much media hype which has been created around the trial, and this has vitiated the trial against him. It's not a fair trial that, would happen if this sort of media campaign goes on against him. Responding to which, the Supreme Court had few things to say in favor of media by pointing out that media is only working in the public interest, and public looks at these matters with a certain degree of passion because this is about money, which is public money.
Okay, Anusha, thank you so much for joining us and getting us all the updates from the Supreme Court, where that plan has been sent by Vijay Mallya himself to repay his loan.
Obviously, we can, focus on the positive things that we did there against Australia.
We've got a very different team to those games that we played. We went through quite a few players throughout those 3 games.